To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. Then, open any conversation from your direct messages. Now, press and hold on any message in the chat. In the pop-up menu, you will notice the new Add Sticker option. If it's not visible, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now tap on it. A sticker panel will appear, letting you select from a variety of options, such as emojis and GIFs, to add directly to your message. Simply tap the sticker you want to send. It will be added to your message and sent immediately to the conversation. When the recipient opens the message, they will see the sticker exactly in the same spot where you placed it. If you long press the sent sticker, you will see options to move it, add another sticker, hide all stickers, or unsend it. When you are finished, tap the OK button. Your recipient will see the same result in their conversation message. So these are all the things you need to know about using the Add Sticker feature on Instagram.